Are you tired of feeling like there are never enough hours in the day? Do you find yourself constantly overwhelmed with tasks and deadlines? Well, fear not! With the right time management techniques, you can become a pro at managing your time and taking care and control of your productivity. In this video, we'll explore innovative and effective strategies for mastering time management. From setting goals and prioritizing tasks to implementing time-saving tools and techniques, we'll cover everything you need to know on how to make the most of your day. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just looking to improve your productivity, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take your time management skills to the next level. Let's dive in. Number 10. Set clear goals. Setting clear goals is essential for time management. To make your goals clear, ensure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This means defining what you want to achieve, setting deadlines, and identifying the steps to reach your goals. Clear goals help you prioritize tasks and avoid wasting time on irrelevant activities, enabling you to focus on tasks that will help you achieve success. Number 9. Prioritize tasks. Prioritizing tasks is a key component of time management. It involves identifying which tasks are most important and focusing on those first. This ensures that you are making the best use of your time and energy, and that important tasks don't get overlooked. By prioritizing tasks, you can achieve your goals more efficiently and effectively. Number 8. Use a calendar. Using a calendar is a simple yet powerful tool for time management. It helps you stay organized and on track by providing a visual representation of your schedule and deadlines. By using a calendar, you can schedule appointments and meetings, plan out your tasks and activities, and stay aware of the upcoming events and deadlines. This can help you optimize your time and achieve your goals more effectively. Number 7. Make a to-do list. Making a to-do list is a common yet effective time management technique. It involves creating a list of tasks and activities that you need to complete and then prioritizing these tasks according to importance and urgency. This helps you stay organized and focused and ensures that you are making progress towards your goals. By regularly updating your to-do list, you can optimize your time and increase productivity. Number 6. Minimize distractions. Innovative approaches to minimizing distractions can help optimize time management. This can include strategies such as using noise-canceling headphones, turning off notifications, and setting aside dedicated blocks of time for uninterrupted work. Other techniques may include using meditation or mindfulness practices to improve focus or using apps that block distracting websites or limit phone usage. By finding innovative ways to minimize distractions, you can maximize your productivity and achieve your goals more efficiently. Number 5. Time block your day. Time blocking is a powerful time management technique that involves scheduling specific blocks of time for each task or activity. By dedicating focused time on each task, you can reduce distractions, increase productivity, and make better use of your time. It also helps to ensure that important tasks don't get overlooked or forgotten. Number 4. Use productivity tools. Productivity tools can help you optimize your time management by providing, tools and resources to increase efficiency and streamline workflows. These tools can include apps, software, and other resources that help you with scheduling, task management, and communication, and more. By using more productivity tools, you can maximize your productivity and achieve your goals more effectively. Number 3. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks throughout the day is essential for effective time management. Breaks can help reduce stress, prevent burnout, and increase focus and productivity. It's important to take short breaks every hour or so and longer breaks throughout the day to recharge and refocus. Even a few minutes of rest can make a big difference in productivity. Number 2. Learn to say no. Saying no is crucial for effective time management. It's tempting to accept every request, but it can lead to feeling overwhelmed. Be honest about your limits, set boundaries to protect your time and energy, and say no to requests that don't align with your goals. This frees up time to focus on important tasks and reduces stress. Number 1. Review and reflect. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your schedule is crucial for time management. It lets you assess progress, evaluate productivity, and identify areas for improvement. By reviewing regularly, you can adjust your approach, shift priorities, reorganize, or find new strategies to work more effectively and efficiently. Staying flexible and willing to adjust helps optimize your time and achieve success. By implementing these tips, you can become a pro at managing your time and achieving your goals. Remember, good time management takes practice and discipline, but the rewards are worth the effort. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to smash the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.